Hey guys! 3dsense Media School will be having our open house on the 28th of June. Have you ever dreamed of working on games like Monster Hunter, Street Fighter, or Honkai Star Rail? Or ever imagine your name in the credits of a Disney or Netflix film like Moana, Stranger Things, or Love, Death and Robots? Perhaps your dream lies somewhere else entirely, like creating worlds for webtoons or animated stories, or designing for brands like Hazel or Nike. You could even bring your ideas to life in the form of a collectible figurine or a product. Whatever it is, we'll help you to build the skills to make it real. If that sounds like your kind of future, do drop by our open house on the 28th of June. Meet our instructors, see the amazing works our students have created, and take the first step towards a creative career you've always wanted.
So why wait? Make it your reality today.